are, and he has learned how to perch today. So he's got his leg strength, and this is the first day that he's actually wrapped his feet around my finger, and he's not 100% stable when perching yet, but he's doing a pretty good job. And, well, hello there. He's bebopping around a lot more today. He's curious. His little head goes every which way. His wingspan has gotten larger, more feathers, and his head is just covered in soft, fuzzy feathers now. His chest has more on them, too. I think he's so adorable at this phase. He is starting to look like a little bird now, and he's so tiny. I mean, he's about as long as my finger. But he's very soft now. We did pick a name for him. I keep hemming and hawing back and forth on a name, but the neighbor girl who gave him to me, she had reached out to me for help. Because he didn't look like he was going to make it when we got him, and he was such a fighter, she thought Trooper would be a good name. And since we don't know the gender yet, it would also be gender friendly. So my husband has an idea of his own. For some reason, he thinks it would be funny to name the bird Carl, C-A-R-L, Carl. But we don't know if it's going to be a boy, and everybody has been kind of thinking, well, at least the neighbors next door and myself have been thinking of him as Trooper, so that's what we're going to go with. So this little sparrow's name is Trooper. Look at his tail. It's even getting longer today. He still has some of his skin on the back that you can see that hasn't filled in, but his wingspan is getting larger. I keep forgetting to set the tripod up so that I could actually show me doing a feeding or something. I'll have to remember to do that tomorrow. Hello, and here he is. Just one last shot. He's balancing on my finger. Good job perching. Yay, he's going from I think they call him a nestling or a hatchling. A nestling, I think, which is a bird that can't perch and that doesn't have feathers. He's going from that into the soon going to be a fledgling, what they call. And he's a little over a week old. I think about maybe 8 days old by now. I'd have to look. I'll definitely put it in the description. Are you looking out into the garden? And there's other birds out there.